definitely hurt.
Definitely.
Yep. When I push on something, like a button or something on my thumb, it fucking hurts. Yeah, YouTube. I'm done with broken bones for a while. God. Sorry, God, if I'm cussing a lot. Because I broke my thumb. Almost broke my thumb. Still hurts as of now. Yep. And clean up this cup mess. Crossfire! You can do it! Crossfire! Remember that game, Larry?
No.
Crossfire, that board game where you try to blow those dudes away. But it's only a 2-player kid game.
Probably.
That was a game in the 90s, remember? Butch?
How many times I had to tell you that I was born in the 90s? I don't remember much of the 90s stuff.
Except for late 90s, huh?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you.
Oh.
Oh, no.
So you're the baby of the group.
Yes, I'm the baby.
Oh, yeah. Go. Do-do. Mm-hmm. God dang it. I let talk. Right thumb hurts.